Hi, I'm Dennis Johnson from Weiss-Johnson. The Aprilaire Model 400 Whole House Humidifier is the newest addition to the extensive line of Aprilaire humidifiers and may be the perfect solution for your home. The Environmental Protection Agency studies show we spend as much as 90% of our time indoors. Therefore, controlling indoor air quality is essential to a comfortable and healthy indoor air environment. Research has shown that 40 to 60% relative humidity is ideal for today's homes, but unfortunately, in our harsh Alberta climate, 35% is the maximum we can obtain in winter without creating condensation issues on our windows. Proper relative humidity provides a comfortable environment for your hardwood floors, furniture, plants, pets, and especially for you and your family. The Aprilaire Model 400 Whole House Humidifier features a built-in bypass damper and utilizes new evaporative technology to minimize water use. It will humidify tightly constructed homes up to 4,000 square feet in size and has an evaporative capacity of 0.7 gallons per hour. The Aprilaire Model 400 humidifier unit has a 5-year warranty from the date of installation. Call Weiss-Johnson today so we can provide you more information on innovative humidification solutions with efficiency in mind.
Weiss-Johnson, Weiss-Johnson, whoa, we're proud to be local and family owned. Count on experience to speak for itself. With Weiss-Johnson, Weiss-Johnson, whoa.